Introduction to the rowing machine.
The rowing machine is a versatile tool for building cardiovascular fitness and full body strength. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, mastering proper form is key to maximizing your results and preventing injury. In this guide, we'll break down each step of the rowing stroke and highlight the most common mistakes so you can row confidently and effectively.
Setting up for success.
Start with the right setup for a safe and efficient rowing session. Adjust the foot straps so your feet are secure and set the damper level between 3 and 5 for a balanced resistance. Grip the handle lightly. It should rest comfortably in your hands. Sit tall with your shoulders back and core engaged, preparing your body for smooth movement.
Step-by-step rowing technique.
The rowing stroke is made up of 4 key phases: the catch, drive, finish, and recovery. Begin at the catch with knees bent and arms straight. Push with your legs during the drive while keeping your back straight. As you finish, lean back slightly and pull the handle to your chest. Return to the starting position in a controlled movement to complete the cycle.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Incorrect form can reduce the benefits of rowing and increase injury risk. Avoid hunching your back, using just your arms, or rushing through movements. Focus on driving through your legs, keeping your core tight, and sequencing the movement smoothly. Remember, power should come from your legs and hips, not your upper body alone.
Maximizing results and staying safe.
Consistency and attention to form are key for progress. Warm up before each session and cool down after. Start with manageable intervals and gradually increase intensity as your technique improves. Stay aware of your posture, take breaks as needed, and listen to your body. Done correctly, rowing offers a safe, efficient, full-body workout for all fitness levels.